Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We multiply by s on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 4s squared. So we still have about s squared in here. So I need to divide both sides by number 4. Next, we need to do first derivative of this one in here. So first derivative of u, we have du. First derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. Because we don't have number 8, 4 with number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 8. So this one we change by u. S squared we change by this one. S ds we change by this one. So number 8 divided by number 4. So we have number 2. The integration of this one, we have about sine integral. And we put about u in here. And then we put about c. That is about the constant. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.